Hi guys, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you a really fun project that's super budget friendly. So I was at the Dollar Tree the other day and I seen these awesome little sunglass pouches. So they look just like this and they're made out of like this vinyl material. So you can see that here. Look how cute. This is almost like a little watercolor effect here with the ice creams. And it has like this top that you squeeze like this. So that way you could pop your sunglasses down inside like so, to keep them protected. Now there was a ton, and I mean a ton more designs to choose from, but I seen these ones here and they were my favorite. If you're anything like our family, you have a ton of sunglasses laying around getting scratched up and ruined. So what you're going to need is these little pouches, like I said, from the Dollar Tree, only $1, and then you're going to need some iron-on. I'm going to be using the glitter iron-on from Cricut, and I'm also going to be using some of their everyday. Now I've got a couple of their neons as the pink. We've got the green neon. I love their neons. And then we also have the orange neon. I also decided to do one just in a simple black because you can see that their legs here are black, so I thought it would be really cute to kind of make that pop. Currently right now it's storming outside, so hopefully you guys aren't picking up any of the booming going on. So since this is like a vinyl, I went ahead and looked into Cricut settings to see what we could possibly use with the Easy Press 2. I decided to use the neoprene settings because I think that's going to be pretty similar in what we would need to protect it, and it was 280 for 20 seconds. So I'm going to show you guys really quick once again how to utilize that. Once you get this pulled up, so what you're going to need to do is choose whether you have the Easy Press 2 or the original. I'm going to choose Everyday Iron-On Light. I'm going to choose the neoprene. Alright, and I'm going to hit done. Then I'm going to choose the Cricut Easy Press Matte and apply. It's going to give us 280 for 20 seconds. It's going to show us how to layer it, supplies we may need, preparation, application, etc. I'm going to be using my 6x7 Easy Press today because it's a perfect size for this project. I'm going to go ahead and lay a piece of butcher paper down on the bottom just to protect. Since this is like a vinyl plasticky, just in case something goes wrong, it's going to protect our mat down below. Okay, so I'm going to do that. The first one here looks like so, and I'm going to go ahead and leave it. You could take the cardboard off at this point if you want to. So in the inside, hopefully you guys can see, it's just got like a felt in the inside. Kind of reminds me of the like the vinyl tablecloths that you can get. So I love this print, really cute. So for this one here, I'm going to lay it down, and then I'm going to be doing my daughter's name, Miranda, which is in that orange. To say that I'm happy with this, another piece of parchment paper here, and I'm going to lay it right on top. I just want to protect our iron since this is like a plastic, just in case something goes wrong. Alright, so we've got 280 for 20 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and set this down and give it some pressure and hit go. I'm going to lift that up, take off our parchment paper. Now at this point, this is going to be very hot because it is vinyl, so you want to let it cool. So there you can see what it's going to look like. But doesn't that orange just pop with this? It's really cute. Just like that. So 280 for 20 seconds. Works really good. It doesn't melt the plastic. Look at the colors on that. Super cute. So now you can see that I can simply open this up, pop in the sunglasses, and now they're protected. So we can just keep these in the car, in our little bags. Super cute. Fun idea, right? Okay, so let's go ahead and keep going. Now, for this one, it looks like a watermelon. I absolutely love this one. It says Hello Summer, but I'm going to put the name on the back. Alright, now for this one, like I said, I'm going to do it right here on the back. Just like so. Once I have it where I want it, I'm going to take our parchment paper again and go right back on top for another 20 seconds. Now you want to avoid, so there's no gap in pressure, you want to avoid the top part. So this piece right here, you want to avoid that piece because it has like a piece of metal. So you want to come down from here down. Alright. Once again, you're going to want to let this cool down just a little bit so that way it's not hot to the touch. So I'm going to go ahead and set this out of the way and put on the next one. Alright, for this one here, it had some really cute flamingos. Really cute. Kind of reminded me of the 80s. Really love it. Alright, now this one I decided to do with the black. Just simple black, really cute. I'm going to pop on our parchment paper and get this on here and hit go. All right. Once again, I'm going to set this out of our way so that way it can cool down. I'm going to bring back in Samantha and we'll go ahead and peel this one. Super easy. And then you can see on the front, hello summer, Samantha on the back. Super cute. Squeeze the top. Drop in the sunglasses. And there we have it. Same thing, we've got the parchment paper on the bottom. Now for this one, it's really cute. It has this really cool safari look. It has these really cute zebras and flamingos. I just really, really love this one as well. So I'm going to go ahead and get that down. And this one I just did the word flamingo. This is in the images. If you type in flamingo, you'll see this come up. I really love it. Simple. And it's free if you're an Access member. All right, so I'm going to pop that on there. Looks like I need to come down just a little bit. All right. Put on my other piece of parchment paper. Set that down and hit go. All right, move that out of the way. Move our parchment paper. Same thing, I'm going to set this out of our way so it can cool. Bring back in the one that has Ashley here and we'll peel this right off. Super cute. I absolutely love it. Pop it open, drop in the sunglasses. There we go. All right. Now, whenever I looked in the settings for the glitter for neoprene, which this is not neoprene, it works great for it. The settings were the exact same for the glitter. So we're going to go ahead and get this down where we want it. I'm going to put down our parchment paper and push go. All right, gonna move this out of the way. All right, when it cools down, we'll go ahead and get the plastic off of Flamingo. Super cute. I really love how that one came out as well. Go ahead and open that up, get these sunglasses in. Super cute. All right, we're gonna let this one finish cooling down. I'm gonna go ahead and move these out of the way. All right, now that this is cooled down, I'm gonna go ahead and peel this off. And that did work out really well. So 280 for 20 seconds, whether it be glitter or the everyday iron-on. Super cute. I love, this is the color Kiwi in the glitter. Very cute. How easy was that? Super fun, super easy, and super affordable. So I absolutely love how they came out. So once again, here they are. They're really easy to open and close. So you just kind of pop them like this. And like I said, they have felt inside that's going to keep them very well protective. These would be awesome for Christmas stockings. They'd be great for back to school teacher gifts. These would even be great for little pencil pouches for the school. These would even be great for your kid to put their glasses away in their desk safely when they go to play on the playground. So it's just a great gift as well as just making one for any occasion. Here is Ashley, one more time, cute. Miranda, I really love the way this one came out. The colors are so much fun. This is actually a lot more brighter of an orange than it shows on camera, but it's really a ton of fun. And then the watermelon for Samantha, super cute. And once again, it says Hello Summer in the front. Really cute. And then the flamingo, just something as simple as putting something like flamingo on here. You could do hashtag MomLife or anything like that. Would be really cute. Super cute. These would also be fun to put your EpiPen or something in for your bag as well and put EpiPen on there. So that would be really fun as well. So there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one.